Your nails are like small canvases which show your beautiful personality to the world. Hi, is me, Bubble, and welcome back. Today you will meet summer nails. They look so beautiful, but let's show our friends how you made them. Materials that you will need for this nail design: UV gel polish, silicone mold for nail art, reinforcement and seal gel, gel brushes, UV flashlight, tweezer, gel mix palette, micro caviar beads, top coat no wipe. Before you make this design, prepare your nails by removing the cuticles, filing them, and using products such as Ultra Bond Base Coat or others that you prefer. Are all of you ready? Let's get started. This step is optional. Now, apply the color gel in the mold. Cure the flowers for 120 seconds. And remove the flowers. Apply a coat of color over the nail. And another layer of colored gel. First nail design. Apply a good layer of reinforcement and seal gel, but not excessive to prevent the flowers move from the place. Then, place the flowers. The number of flowers that you need depends on the size of the nail. You can place all the flowers small, medium, large or combine them. Use the fine brush and apply more gel around all the flowers to reinforce them. Then, place the caviar beads where you would like them to be. You can add some bubbles to this design if you want to. Now, put the gel only on the flowers where you are going to place the caviar beads. If the beads do not stay in place, use the UV flashlight before they move. Even if you use the UV flashlight on the beads, you must cure the rest of the nail in the UV lamp. Apply a layer of gel on all the flowers, but don't overload them so much, because they can loosen details. But, reinforce the surroundings again and don't forget the caviar beads. Before you cover the nail with the first layer of top coat, apply the last layer of gel, but only on the beads, and place the nail in the UV lamp. Then, apply the first thin coat of top coat all over the flowers. Then another substantial in the center. And to finish the design, repeat was done in the previous step with the top coat. It is necessary to cover the beads with substantial layers of gel and top coat, as they can lose color due to exposure to the environment. Do not overload the top surface of the flowers with gel because they may loosen details. After applying the gel and beads, if you need to use the UV flashlight because the beads are moving out of place and you want to cure them, you have to use the flashlight close and not far from the beads. Since the light would cure the surroundings, making it impossible to add more beads, if this occurs, you have to apply another layer of gel to add the rest of the beads. Second nail design. Apply a good quantity of gel, but not excessive to prevent the flowers and beads move from the place. Now create half a heart with the beads and flowers. The number of flowers and beads depend on the size of the heart. Now, submerge the bases of the flowers, which are going to place on top of the others. Apply a thin layer of gel on the flowers to add more beads, and reinforce those that are already on the nail. Apply a layer of gel on the beads that you previously placed. And apply the last coat of gel to cover all the beads. Add a thin layer of top coat over all the flowers and beads to finish the design. And reinforce the surroundings with a substantial layer. Then repeat was done in the previous step with the top coat. Third nail design. Apply a substantial quantity of gel and dip the base of the flower in the gel, but if you add too much gel you can spread or remove a part of it. Then place the beads. Remember, if the beads do not stay in place, use the UV flashlight before they move. Even if you use the UV flashlight, cure the nail in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Then place a caviar bead in the center of the flower and reinforce the rest of the beads with the gel. Add another layer to protect and reinforce all the beads again. Apply a thin layer of top coat over the flower and another substantial one around it. Repeat what was done previously with the top coat. Remember the tips that I mentioned in the first nail design. Apply substantial layers of gel and top coat over the caviar beads. Don't overload the top surface of the flowers. The flashlight must be close and not far from the beads. I hope you like meeting Sakura, and if you want to meet the rest of my friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I want to give a very special thank you to these wonderful people who support my channel. Bye bye, see you soon.